Looking for a comfortable and ergonomic office chair to complement your workspace? Desky has your back. So the Elite is designed to be assembled within 4 quick steps. First, connect the backrest to the cushion using the supplied Allen key. Next, you'll remove the screws from in place of where the armrests will go on the bottom of the seat. Then position each armrest on the correct side to fasten them in place with 4 screws. Next, place each caster wheel in the base and then the pneumatic piston in the middle. And then from here, position the hole on the underside of the seat over the piston and then gently let it down, and then you're done and ready to enjoy your new Desky Elite ergonomic chair. Be sure to check out the full range of ergonomic chairs from desky.com.au. Thanks for watching.